In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check all the apps connected to your Gmail account. This is an essential skill for anyone who wants to maintain good security hygiene for their Google account. It is crucial to regularly review which apps have access, as over time, numerous apps can pile up that you may no longer use or need access to your data. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure your information remains secure. First, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate to your Google account page. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in successfully. This will bring you to the main dashboard of your Google account, where you'll see various options related to your account settings and personal information. Next, find the Security tab on the left-hand side of your screen. The Security section allows you to oversee and manage all aspects that pertain to keeping your account secure. Once you're there, scroll down until you come across a section labeled Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Here, you will see a concise summary indicating how many third-party apps currently have access to some portion of your account. To delve deeper, click on Manage Third-Party Access. This action will take you to a new page displaying a list of all apps connected to your Gmail account. Each app listed has some level of access to your account information, such as read access, write access, or both. Take your time to go through each app. You will notice that each app's details will provide information about what specific Google services it has access to. Here's where you need to be vigilant. Identify any apps you no longer recognize or use. It's essential to know what privileges these apps have because, at times, apps might retain more access than necessary for their function. If you wish to remove access to any app, simply click on the app and you'll see an option to Remove Access. Click on this to immediately revoke the app's access to your Google account. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution. If you're uncertain about a particular app's necessity, removing it can prevent potential data misuse. Checking this section regularly is a good practice as it helps you stay informed and in control of your data's accessibility. Additionally, by cleaning up this list, you're also ensuring that your Google account remains secure against future potential vulnerabilities. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage and secure the apps connected to your Gmail account. Make it a point to check in on this periodically to keep your information safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.